Hello guys. Uh, Imagine walking up to a notification that you are made sales, all while you were sleeping. No manual posting, no constant scrolling, and no inventory in your garage. This is just a dream. It is the reality of a fully automated Pinterest shop. Today I am going to pull back the curtain on how I built a hands-off system using the AliExpress strategy to turn Pinterest into a 24/7 sales machine. The foundation by Pinterest and AliExpress. Pinterest is a visual search engine, not just social media. People go there with the intent to buy. Pair that with AliExpress a massive catalog of trending products, and you have the perfect recipe for high margin dropshipping. The goal isn't just to post pins. The goal is to create a frictionless funnel. First one is AliExpress provide the products. Pinterest second one provide the traffic. Third one is automation provide the times. Second one, second piece, finding the wider ready product. You can't automate junk. Automation is scale what works, so you have to start with high potential items. I look for first one high visual appeal, second one problem solved, uh, third one niche passion. I use tools to scrape AliExpress for products with high order volume and 4.5 stars rating. Once found, these are imported directly into my storefront, uh, Shopify or WooCommerce. The engine automating content creation. This is where the magic happens. I don't design every pin in Canva. Instead, I use bulk creations tools. First one, AI image generation and scraping. I use software to grab high quality images and videos from AliExpress reviews and listings. Second one, the template method. I create 5 or 10 winning templates. Third one, dynamic content. I use AI tools to automatically pull the product title, price, and a call to action into those templates. I can turn one AliExpress products into 15 unique high quality pins in less than 2 minutes. Uh, Posting once a day won't cut it. To dominate the Pinterest algorithm, consistency is king. I use scheduling platforms like Tailwind or Pinflux to first one spread out post, second one loop content, third one keyword optimization. The final piece of the puzzle is order fulfillment. When a customer buys from my Pinterest pin, first one an automation app like AutoDS only. Yes, okay. Instantly sends the customer's info to the AliExpress supplier. The supplier ships the item directly to the customer. Third one, the tracking number is automatically emailed to the buyer. By automating the content creation, the scheduling and the fulfillment, I've turned my Pinterest shop into digital assets that grows on its own. I won't I went from spending 4 hours a day on manual tasks to spending 30 minutes a week just checking the analytics. The Alice's strategy isn't about work harder, it is about building a system that works for you. If you have the right tools and clear strategy, your shop can run while you are out living your life. Now it is time for you go to out there and build your own. Yes, okay. Bye bye. See you soon on next video.